Hello, everyone. I'm Emma, and welcome to Emma's English Stories. Imagine growing up on a small island, dreaming of becoming the best football player in the world. That was Cristiano Ronaldo's life. Today, we will follow his journey from a young boy in Madeira to a global superstar. We will learn his story in simple English, and I'll teach you new words along the way. Are you ready? Let's go. Cristiano Ronaldo was born on February 5th, 1985, in a small island called Madeira in Portugal. His family was not rich, but they loved him very much. His father, Jose, worked as a kit man in a football club. His mother, Maria, took care of the home. Ronaldo has one older brother, Hugo, and two older sisters, Elma and Liliana. Ronaldo loved football from a young age. He played every day with his friends in the streets. Even when he was very young, he wanted to be the best football player in the world. At the age of 12, he moved from Madeira to Lisbon. He joined the famous football club Sporting CP. It was difficult for him to leave his family, but he knew he had to work hard to reach his dream. Ronaldo was very fast and skilled. People noticed his talent quickly. He played for Sporting CP's youth team. Soon, he played for the first team, the main team of the club. In 2003, Ronaldo moved to Manchester United, a famous football club in England. He was only 18 years old. At first, it was difficult because the language and the country were new for him. But Ronaldo worked very hard. He trained every day, ran, and practiced his skills. He became one of the best players in England. People loved his speed, his goals, and his skill with the ball. He won many awards, including the Premier League title and the FA Cup. Ronaldo became very popular in England. Fans loved him, and many people watched his matches on television. He learned English quickly. He also became close friends with some players, like Ryan Giggs and Wayne Rooney. Ronaldo's style of playing football was special. He was very fast, he could dribble the ball, and he scored many goals. Coaches and experts said he was one of the most talented players in the world. In 2008, Ronaldo won the Ballon d'Or, a famous award for the best football player in the world. He was only 23 years old. It was the first time he won this award. In 2009, Ronaldo moved to Real Madrid, a top football club in Spain. The transfer was one of the most expensive in football history. Many people were excited to see him play in Spain. At Real Madrid, Ronaldo became even better. He scored many goals and broke records. He played with other famous players and won many trophies, including La Liga titles and the Champions League. Ronaldo trained very hard every day. He wanted to be the best player in the world. His fans loved him, and he became one of the most famous athletes globally. Ronaldo scored more than 450 goals for Real Madrid. He became the top scorer in the club's history. People admired his dedication, speed, and skill. He won 4 Champions League titles with Real Madrid. The Champions League is the most important football competition in Europe. Ronaldo was often the top scorer in these competitions. He also won the Ballon d'Or several times while playing for Real Madrid. Many young players around the world wanted to be like him. Ronaldo also played for the Portugal national team. He played in many tournaments like the World Cup and European Championship. In 2016, Ronaldo helped Portugal win the Euro 2016, the first major trophy in Portugal's history. He was a leader for his team. Many people admired his courage and skill. Playing for the national team was very important for Ronaldo. He wanted to help his country succeed in football. In 2018, Ronaldo moved to Juventus, a football club in Italy. He continued to score many goals and help his team win titles. Even in his 30s, he stayed strong and fast. Ronaldo trained harder than many younger players. He took care of his body, his diet, and his exercises. This is why he stayed at the top level for many years. Many football experts say Ronaldo is one of the greatest football players in history. Ronaldo has a big family. He has 4 children. He is very close to his mother, who supported him a lot when he was young. He also helps many people. Ronaldo gives money to charities and children in need. He is famous not only for football, but also for helping others. Ronaldo has many fans worldwide. People love him for his skill, hard work, and personality. Ronaldo has many records. He is one of the top scorers in football history. He has won the Ballon d'Or multiple times, and he has the most goals in the Champions League. His achievements inspire young football players around the world. Many say he is a role model because of his hard work and dedication. Ronaldo's story shows that talent, hard work, and courage can make dreams come true. Cristiano Ronaldo's life gives us many important lessons that we can use in our own lives. First, he shows us the value of hard work. From a young boy playing football on the streets of Madeira to becoming a world champion, Ronaldo always trained every single day. He reminds us that talent is important, but without hard work, talent is not enough. Second, Ronaldo teaches us to never give up on our dreams. When he was only 12 years old, he left his family to live in Lisbon. It was very hard, and he often felt lonely, but he kept going because he believed in his dream. Third, he shows us the importance of taking care of our body and mind. Even in his late 30s, Ronaldo is still strong and fast because he follows a healthy diet, trains with dedication, and keeps a positive mindset. Fourth, he shows us that true success is not only about money or trophies, it is also about helping others. Ronaldo has donated millions to hospitals, children, and charities. He proves that being kind and generous is just as important as winning on the football field. So, Ronaldo's story is not only about football, it is about dreams, effort, discipline, and kindness. And for you, as English learners, reading or listening to his story is very useful. You can practice simple English, learn new vocabulary, and also feel inspired by his journey. Now that we know Ronaldo's story, let's look at some fun facts about him. Ronaldo is the first player to score in 5 World Cups. No one else has done this before. He can jump higher than most basketball players, which helps him score with his head. He owns many luxury cars like Bugatti, Ferrari, and Lamborghini. Ronaldo has no tattoos because he donates blood to help sick people. He once paid for a child's brain surgery and has given millions to charity. He owns hotels called Pestana CR7 and even has a private jet. In 2020, he became the first footballer to earn $1 billion. On Instagram, Ronaldo is the most followed person in the world with more than 600 million followers. Ronaldo is not only famous for football, but also for his hard work, kindness, and success outside the field. If you enjoyed learning about Ronaldo and practicing English, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to Emma's English Stories. You can also try to write your own sentences about Ronaldo using the new words you learned today. Learning English while reading or listening to stories is fun and effective. Remember, practice a little every day, and your English will get better and better.